Hi students, this is Kumar, your Maths teacher, grade 7. Today, let us learn about the new chapter, rational numbers. Now I am taking this chapter. Why? Because this is a continuation of fractions. Now, let me tell about the overview of rational numbers. The first one is natural numbers, then whole numbers, then integers, then rational numbers, then equivalent rational numbers, then positive and negative rational numbers, then rational numbers on a number line, then rational number in standard form, then comparison of rational numbers, then rational numbers between two rational numbers, and operations on rational numbers. The first one is natural numbers. It is denoted by capital N. The set of natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 to etc. infinity. The next one is whole numbers. It is denoted by capital W. The set of whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 to etc. infinity. The next one is integers. It is denoted by capital I or capital Z. The set of integers are minus infinity to plus infinity. That means negative integers and positive integers and 0. The next one is rational numbers. It is denoted by capital Q. A rational number is defined as a number that can be expressed in the form P divided by Q, where P and Q are integers. P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0. For example of rational numbers, 2 divided by 5 and minus 3 divided by 7. So this is for example of rational numbers. Now the word rational arises from the term ratio. The ratio of two integers P and Q. Here is Q is not equal to 0. So the ratio of two integers P and Q is P is to Q. And it can be written as P divided by Q. Now in this diagram, first circle is natural numbers. The second circle is whole numbers. The third circle is integers. Then fourth circle is rational numbers. Here every natural numbers is an whole number. Every natural numbers is an whole numbers. Every natural numbers is an integers. Then every natural numbers is an rational numbers. Then every whole numbers is an integers. Every whole numbers is an rational numbers. Every integers is also an rational numbers. But rational number need not be an integer, but rational number need not be an integer. The next one is difference between rational number and fraction. So rational number, fractions. So the rational number, it is in the form P divided by Q. So Q is not equal to 0. So the condition is Q is not equal to 0. Here P and Q are integers. P and Q are integers. But in fraction is in the form P divided by Q. Q is not equal to 0. But here P and Q are whole numbers. P and Q are whole numbers. Rational numbers can be negative. But fractions can never be a negative. Number. Here all the fractions are rational number. But all rational numbers are not fractions. For example, so minus 4 divided by 8. So minus 4 by 8 is a rational number. But minus 4 by 8 is not a fraction because it is a negative. So 2 divided by 3 is a rational number. 2 divided by 3, it is also a fractions. Now let us see the one example. Is a 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form P divided by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. So is 0 is a rational number? Yes, 0 is a rational number. It can be written as 0 divided by 1, 0 divided by 2. So 0 is an integer, 1 is also an integer. So 0 divided by any number is equal to 0. So 0 is a rational number. So it is in the form p divided by q. So where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. So 0 is a rational number. I give 5 questions. Do it yourself.